we have basic math as well as advanced math. Okay.
Okay.
In the basic math, in the basic module, we are going to learn these are the things: addition, subtraction, multiplication, with the sutras named Nikhilam, Vilokanam, Vinkulam, Urdhava, Antareva, Pravartya Yusyat, and flag method. For the square, for the perfect square, cube, perfect cube, all the syllabus are included in the basic Vedic math. I hope you understand this thing, right? Another thing, who am I? Why should you trust me? Akhir मैं, why should you join me? So here are my profile, basic profile. I am the, I am already presented the paper in NERI, that is National Education for Regional Institute of Education, Northeast Regional Institute of Education. That is a part of NCERT, that is in Meghalaya in the year of 2017. I am in the Vedic math field since 2015. Okay. I am the certified Vedic math trainer too from SM Shiksha Kendra, certified career pro of the Dheya. Dheya is a career counselor team, and I am a team member of the Dheya too. Math club organizer of Simdega, that is my hometown. CTET as well as JTET qualified teacher I am. Alumni of RI. RI, I hope you learned the name. Regional Institute of Education, Bhubaneswar. Are you hear the name? Regional Institute of Education, Bhubaneswar. It's a NCERT institute, right? They're totally governed by the NCERT and CBSE. I am the master facilitator for the Gyan Setu program for JCERT Ranchi. This is the program which is being taken by the government of Jharkhand, government of Rajasthan. Both the state can do the baseline assessment of each and every children of the government. I am the master facilitator for the same program. And I am also the TGT Science, worked as a TGT Science in JNU Saraikela. So I am just starting my slide presentation about the demo of this Vedic math. Before this, you have to learn what is Vedic math. I hope you see my video too in the Facebook. So here, this is the ancient system of mathematics. The system by which we learn, by which we do the calculation of our mathematics in the ancient period, this technique that is called Vedic math. So it is a collection of technique and nothing else. In the technique, it consists of 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras. All the sutras are being taught to you in basic as well as in the advanced method. In the both segment, it combines 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras. I hope you understand this. Vedic math is written in the year of 1500 to 900 BC in Sanskrit language by Jagat Guru Swami Sri Bharati Krishna Tirthji Maharaj of Puri. Okay, basically he just recollect the data from the Atharva Veda, one of the Vedas of Hindu Dharma. He just collected, which is available in the scattered form. Just page number 1 is available over here. Page number 10, one sutras is there. Page number 13 or chapter number 15, another sutras is there. Just he collect all the sutras and make in a readable form and do the research too. With the help of the Vedic sutras, Vedic mathematics, we can solve different field of mathematics, like what algebra, arithmetic, mensuration, geometry, even though calculus we are going to solve with the help of Vedic. Then we can do calculate mentally the square, cube of any number, whatever the number you can say. After doing this course, you are able to do mental calculation of square of any number, cube of any number, multiplication of any digit, right? Division, also division you can do it. In a one line solution, you can get the answer. Why? Because why we learn Vedic math? It speed your calculation. it gives you the accuracy of the problem solving. Improve your grades, children's grade, definitely. It improves brain efficiency too, because you can do it mentally. Self-confidence booster, it definitely boosts your self-confidence. Because when the children or a person can solve any problem, he can move ahead to do another problem. Take the chance, right? It gives you the clarity of concept, direct applicability in your daily life, imagination can be improved, it removes math phobia, right? And it also helps for the International Math Olympiad as well as NSO and other Olympiad. Best for competitive examination, as just as SSC, bank, PO, defense, NDA, or for the admission test like Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Sainik School, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Netarhat. These are the schools that take admission test. They give such kind of questions, and the children are able to do it very mentally and solve it in a very few time. That give the speed, that give the accuracy, with too much of accuracy, and save the time to revise the chapter once and once and once. Right? Just here I demonstrate the first sutra. The name of that sutra is Ekadhike Purve. I hope you hear my voice. Now I am going to demonstrate Ekadhike Purve. This is the first sutra of Vedic math. Here I give you both of the differences. What traditional method and what about the Vedic method. So here, when you have to multiply 65 into 65, I hope you also taught to your children like this. Each and every children can do the mathematics, do the calculation for 65 into 65 like this only. Yeah, I hope you also teach like this. Yes, Andrew, please. Yeah, hello. Hello. Hello.
Sir, 1 minute. Sir. 1 minute. 1 minute. Sir.
Okay.
Sir, okay, sir. Okay. Sorry, sir. Sorry for disturbance.
Okay, no issue. I hope you also teach like this method in a conventional way to your student too, right?
Okay.
Yeah, and in the Vedic math, you can do it in a single line solution. How happy the children are if you taught them to do the multiplication of 65 by 65 in less than 10 seconds. How happy they are. If they are happy, definitely they come to you to learn. Sir, just give the answer to this question. Sir, how we can do it? Definitely they are coming. If the method are changed, so teaching method are going to be changed. Right? So with the help of Vedic math, we can do it like this. Multiply the previous digit 6 by 1 more than itself, that is 7. That is tens place. If the number is ending with 5 and we have to do the multiplication, then this method is active. The name of that method is Ekadhike. One constraint is over here, that tens place is the same digit for both the number. Square, that means same number is there. And unit place must be 5. Then Ekadhike and Purven method is applicable to this. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now another sutra is Yavadunam. Yavadunam is a sutra that also helps to do the squaring. Right? That helps to do the square of near to the base number. Just example 103. To do this, we have to find what is the base of 103. Near the base. Its base is 100. Right? it is near to the base of 100. Base, that
Okay,
means
it's okay.
10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. These are the base. We call it as a base number. So 103, the base of this number is 100. And what is the difference from the base?
3.
3, right? So how we can do it? Step 2, just like here. Number 103 plus the difference. Plus the difference in the left side, and in the right side just square the base. Square the difference number. That is 3 square. First, we have to add the number, add the difference with its own number, and in the right part, right side, we have to square that difference, and you have done. How much time will be? Less than 10 seconds, and the children will able to do it 103. So this is the beauty of Vedic math, right? And I taught all this in the courses in a detailed
Okay,
way, right? So we got the answer 10609. Here you can say 09. Why? Because the base is 100 and it consists of 2 zeros. So it is a compilation with us. It is a constraint with Yavadunam is that whenever the base is 2, we have to put 2 digits in the right side. Okay. So we have to 09, put write 09 in the right side, and left side as it is 106. So the answer becomes 1060. I hope you understand this. Right?
Okay, sir. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So for you, what is the answer for 95 square?
25 1025.
Yeah, once again.
90, sir. 902.
Yes.
9025.
Yes, 9025 is the answer. Now 99 square.
80, 81. 9081.
No. This is
Okay,
the
okay.
second sutra. Just take the
Okay,
base.
okay. Right, sir. Right, sir. 99 ante plus. Okay, the plus 3. Ikkada minus maybe plus
Yes,
1.
minus 1. 99
Minus 1,
minus
right.
1, that gave you 98. And in the right side, 1 square. Difference of the square, that is 0. Right?
Okay.
This is
Okay,
the beauty. How much time it will take for the children of class 5 or 6 or even class 10 in a traditional way to multiply 99 into 99 or 95 into 95. I hope the children of class 9 will take at least 2 minutes. Right? Am I right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. This is the beauty of it. Now, here is the multiplication, that is 9999 into 999. Just seeing this number, children are just turn over their pages. This is the situation now. They are fear of math, full of fear.
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
with the help of Vedic math, how? And in the traditional way, you can see how much time it will take. First, 4 step is there, and then you get the answer. Am I right? This is the only way.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
And in the Vedic math, how you can do? Just in a single line, you got that. The name of it sutra is Nikhilam. Here what we do, just find the difference from the base of the number. That is 0001, right? Difference from the base, and for the second number, that is difference is 6. If it is minus, then we have to put it minus. Okay, this is the way. And you got that. How? In the right side, just multiply it. 6 into 1, that is 6. And for the left side, we have to just cross it. 9999 minus 0006. You got the answer 9993. Or 9994 minus 0001. 999. Both are same. Right? This is the beauty. This is the actual beauty of Vedic. You can do it from the right hand side, left to right. In the conventional method, you can do it from right side to left side. Right now, you are doing calculation from right to left, And in the Vedic math, every time you can do it from left to right in a proper way with no time. I hope you understand this, Nikhila.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So, Ek Nyune, another sutra. This is the another sutra. The name of that sutra is Ek Nyune Purve. Ek Nyune, that means just lesser than one. Right?
No.
Now, how much time it will take? 165 into 999. How much time it will take to do the calculation?
Maybe 2 minutes or 3 minutes.
Yes, with the help of Vedic math, just see how the beauty, what is the beauty of Vedic math. See that. This is the method. Ek Nyune, that means just 1 minus, right? 165 minus 1 in the left side, and in the right side 999 minus 164. What you can do is the minus, right? 164, you have the answer. 165 minus 1, that is 164. Just minus it from the triple line and have your answer. How much time it will take? Less than 10 seconds, I know. After knowing the sutras and its application, it will take less than 10 seconds to do this kind of multiplication. Right? Second example. For the 4 digit, same method. 1355 minus 1 and
Minus 1.
999 minus 1356. And you have the answer.
1354 minus 6.
I hope you got this. Ek Nyune Purve.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, sir.
So now it's your chance to give the answer. 123 into 999.
123 minus 1.
Yes.
123 minus 1. 999 minus 122.
Yes. And the answer is yes.
122 x also.
Right now?
Okay, sir.
Now, another question. How much time it will take to do the multiplication of this number?
Maybe 5 minutes.
Yes. And with the help of Vedic math, you can do it less than 20 seconds. I guarantee
1, 2, 3,
it.
4, 5, 6, 7, minus 7. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.
Yes.
Minus
9 minus 1. Just you can subtract it, right? And I also give you the how to do the subtraction. Okay, I teach you how to do the subtraction in your fingertip. Right? This is the answer.
Okay.
And this question not done by the calculator too. You cannot do it by calculator because
Okay.
it become 14 digit, and the present
Okay.
calculator is just limited to 12 digit. And this become 14 digit. The answer is 14 digit. So you
Okay.
also don't do it with the calculator. So you can say with the help of Vedic math, we are the faster than the calculator. With the help of calculator, we have to first put the number in the calculator, and then we get the answer. And for the larger digit, it is very difficult. Even computer
Yes.
cannot do. We have to change the type of number, then we get the answer. Right? That will take time.
Okay.
So this is the beauty of the science. This is the beauty of Vedic math, right? And for the basic, now today I am demonstrate for the basic math, and in the when you can do the basic, then only you are applicable to do the master level course. Okay, that is the advanced one. That is of 2 months. So for the basic math, what you can get is squaring and cubing up to 100. Okay, squaring and cubing up to 100, multiplication and division of 3 to 7 digit in 2 seconds. I show you. Right now?
Any number, sir?
Yes,
Multiplication,
any
division,
number, any number. I will taught you. Any number. Division of number up to 3 decimal place. Up to 3 decimal place. Or more, you can. Calculation from left to right, what I show you. So to you. From left to right. And multiplication table from 11 to 99. This is a major problem with each and every student to learn the table. Every math teacher have the pain, take the pain to taught the children up to the table of 20. And within an hour, I guarantee you, I bet you that after 1 hour of my session, you are able to do the multiplication from 1 to 99 without
Okay,
a
sir.
single doubt. Okay. In a day, this is 1 day session. 11 to 99 is a 1 day session. Bigger multiplication and division in just few seconds. You can do bigger multiplication. Any number you can. Fraction. How to know which is the lower number, which is the greater number. For the fraction, it is very difficult for the children. And for the basic one, this is the launching offer with me. I hope you that you have the rate too with me, right? For more detail, you can call me in my number. We talk it later on.